Lesamba esicela izigidini amathathu samarandi kuhloswe ngaso ukuvala izikhala zothisha bezibalo nesayensi ezikoleni zaKwaZulu Natal. Inhloso ukuthuthukisa ezemfundo njengoba izikole ezingamaphesenti ayisikhombisa ezisezindaweni zasemakhaya kulesifundazwe okuyizona ezintula kakhulu labo thisha.
Things became worse when a 6 billion cut was effected against the department's budget for the 2021-22 financial year. And we are saying to the Premier, this has put us in a very precarious position where it's either we fill these posts or we don't fill them and run a risk of collapsing the entire system.
Ihhovisi likaNdunankulu kumanje ahlanganise amakhanda azama ukuhlonza lapho kunganqunzwa khona ukuze kuxazululwe lengqinamba.
One thing that is not an option is not to fill this post, because that will be disastrous to the system. We've even said to the provincial treasury, if nothing comes up now, we should be prepared at least to incur unbudgeted over expenditure so that we save the future of our kids, because that is what is important. We save the future of our kids with the hope that in the next coming years the situation will be better and we'll get more funding.
Yize kunjalo kunothisha abevile emakhulwini ayisishiyagalolunye abaduve emakhaya ngenxa ukuthi izifundo abaqeqeshwe kuzo azikho mqoka okanye akunazikhala kuzo.
We have introduced a number of what we call technical and vocational subjects, which are in line with the demands of the current economy and future industries. Now, these educators have graduated with some subjects really which some of them are being phased out, some of them are overpopulated. Now we need to find a way of reskilling them so that we can redeploy them back to school.
Ngalolu hlelo Umnyango wezemfundo uhlose ukusabela ikhwelo likaMengameli lapho adalula khona ukuthi imfundo yakuleli kumele igxile kakhulu ezifundweni zezibalo nesayensi.